Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why nowadays a lot of developers start to use Flutter and even beginners who are starting their journey into app development starts to use Flutter instead of their native languages like Java and Kotlin for Android and then Shift and Objective-C for iOS? Because there are many reasons behind it. Because Flutter is more faster compared to the native languages and it has a beautiful, great widgets for building UI. And the most important thing is that it has only one code base, not multiple things like the other native languages has. Flutter has three key advantages. One code base for all platforms, hot reload to see changes instantly, and smooth 60 to 120 FPS performance. Before Flutter, here's what mobile development looked like. If you wanted an app on both Android and iOS, you had to write it twice. Android required Kotlin or Java, and iOS required Shift or Objective-C. That means double the code, double the bugs, double the maintenance, headaches, and double the cost. It was ineffective and frustrating. Flutter solves this completely. Write once, ship everywhere. You write your code on Dart, and the Flutter compiles it into a native code, and then it runs both on your Android and iOS. It doesn't stop there. It also works on the web, Windows, macOS, and Linux. You'll get the same feel and performance everywhere with truly native performance. In Flutter, everything is a widget. Buttons, sticks, fields, layout, structure, custom designs, they're all widgets. Flutter uses a declarative approach, which means you describe what your UI should look like, and Flutter handles the rest. When your data changes, the UI automatically updates. You can combine widgets like building blocks to create any interface you imagine. Let me walk you through Hot Reload. You run your app with the Flutter run command, then you edit your code and press Ctrl S on Windows or Command plus S on a Mac to save. Your app updates instantly on your device without any recompilation, and the app will not restart. This is a game changer for learning and development. This helps new developers learn 3 to 5 times faster than traditional development. And the next one is the Flutter rendering engine. Flutter's performance comes from its rendering engines. Originally, Flutter used Skia, a 2D rendering graphics engine that delivered consistent 60 to 120 frames per second. Now, Flutter is transitioning to Impeller, a new GPU accelerated engine that's even more faster and smoother, which will make us feel native. The next one is summary. These are the most important features of the Flutter, as it has only one code base, and as we already seen, it reloads faster, and then it, due to its rendering engine, it generates 120 frames per second. You now understand why Flutter is special. Yes, this is exactly where an expert developer started. The knowledge you're gaining right now is the foundation for building incredible apps. So from the next video, I'll be telling you how to set up the development environment on Linux. On Windows and Mac, there are a huge amount of videos on YouTube where you can see and set up the developer environment. For now, bye and see you in the next one.